Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be reviewing Vadilal Ringan Bataka. I think that's what it's called. I think it is an Indian dish from the Indian grocery store. Let's see what the instructions are. Pierce film, put it in microwave for 5 minutes. Stir well. Alright, so like maybe 7 minutes maybe to cook. Not bad. Looks like it might be alright. It's probably gonna be unique because I typically only eat American food. Alright, let's see if it is taped closed. Hold on. Oh. There we go. It was literally taped closed. Oh, there's a tear thing as well. Why was it taped? This is the saddest tear thing I've ever seen. Come on, guys. There we go. Revert. Oh my god. There we go. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Well, it looks like a swamp. Kind of red. You can maybe see a few black thingies in here. You can't really see anything. I'm gonna go cook this up and be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. This is what it looks like cooked. Let's see if I can get a better angle here. Looks alright. This is what the box looks like. Yeah. So, it's a little different. The thing actually just looks brown. The box has a lot more colors. I assume it's got the same ingredients, but who knows? Box a little misleading, but it's probably fine. I have no idea what this has. Like this, what is this? I don't know what this is. I don't know what a lot of the stuff in here is, but let's take a bite. You can really smell it. It smells like literally all the other Indian food I've had, honestly. Huh. So, first off, the sauce is very weird. So it's kind of liquidy, but it's also kind of grainy. So you can kind of like feel little grains while you're eating, it's not too bad. It's not like sand or something, but it's a little funky. The potatoes, you can't really taste the potatoes. There's a lot of like spices and stuff going on here. It's a little hot, like spicy hot, but it's not really super spicy hot. It's probably tolerable for your standard American. Let's try with some more random assorted toppings and stuff that I have no idea what they are. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about the texture. You can single out all the big pieces. That was a mistake. Do not rub your eye. That was a mistake. Oh, okay. The texture is not great. You can like the big things like that. Hold on. Like stuff like this. And I don't know if you can see it. It's like you can feel them and they're kind of smooth and like separate. There's constant like grainy sauce everywhere. The potato is like biting into a standard sort of a potato chunk. It's just kind of really weird. Not not like stuff I normally have. It's very hot. So, the flavor is hard to describe. The sauce stuff here basically totally masks the flavor of everything else. You can very slightly taste the flavor, but especially the like leafy veggie, which I'm probably not supposed to be eating, you really can't taste it. It's just sort of there texture-wise and everything. It's mostly the sauce, which is kind of funky. It's like hot sauce, but it's hard to describe. I'm not sure how to describe Indian food. It's not bad though. I kind of like it. Oh, the weird stuff is eggplant apparently. I'm gonna see if I can describe the taste of this sauce. I'm probably gonna fail. Yeah. So maybe a little peppery. It's very savory. It's not bitter or uh, gross in any way. I kind of like it. I don't know what to relate it to, but it's pretty good. It tastes similar to other Indian stuff I've had, but I don't know how to describe that either. So, overall, I'll give the Ringan Bataka a 7 out of 10. I like it. It's pretty good. It comes out really hot though, and it's kind of hard to eat. I'm not sure about the texture either. It's not great. But overall, I kind of like it. Compared to American stuff, it's got kick to it. It's not bland. So yeah, 7 out of 10. Pretty alright. Kind of funky for American fast food. I guess it's not really American, but hey. Thank you for watching. Welcome to the outro. In this outro, I'm going to play a little bit about how it is to live as me with my brother. Prepare yourself. Okay, like shit, a piece, but oh, I'm so okay. Oh, he's so okay.